Hi, my name is James, and I'm with JT Eaton. What we have for you, what I'm going to show you right now is our 928 GR, stands for granite, PAV for paver. And this is the monster right here. It's not only affordable, it's durable, and it has a lot of bells and whistles. And I'm going to show you. It has a spring-loaded lock, so it's a push and a turn. The key will not release unless this station is locked. To open it, simple, push, turn, it's ready to go. The other fun thing about it is it does have that removable tray, but it holds, it's pre-molded for our jaws traps. It's pre-molded for our snap traps, and you'll notice a little square right in between there. That square is designed to hold one of our glue boards. But the coolest thing about it, because I know a lot of you out there use wooden traps, is on this PAV, you can actually hold our Bigfoot snap traps or similar sized traps. And these are things that everyone has on their truck. The exciting thing is we have also one without the paver. The one without the paver, there's a couple of unique things in it. And I'll show you right here, right in that corner. On both sides of it, I created a bait well in case there's ants getting into your station. You don't have to use this just as a bait station for rodents. You can add granules inside of here. You can add your bait gels to the corners, to the side of it, because the easiest thing to do with this is to take it out and to clean it. So I'm going to show you placement here in 1 minute. What I like to do with the Rodent Rock 2G with the paver on it is I like to inset it into the soil. What I'm going to do is just dig around just a little bit, just about an inch or two. If that raised lip sets right in there, push the soil back around, and it locks it in place. If you want more information about this, just go to jteaton.com. And you'll find information on that Rodent Rock, and you'll also find a bunch of helpful videos.